The car so far, I never ever trouble with that.
Oh, we need to clean this first.
So you want to make sure it's clean.
Yes, and you
dry.
need dry. You need dry. You need to take the compressor to a little bit blow to make that dry. Dry. Somebody changed that. Yes, somebody changed that.
My neighbor got a motorcycle by last year. They redone the car, you know what I mean? They did a nice job. But
Carefully put it back in.
he said to me, let's go for a ride, you know. I said, I drive. He said, no. The motorcycle. Fine. He went to Jose Maria a couple of times. He making me leave. He said, I stopped to fill it up. $1.50, $2. He used to have all the time, when he was in, you know, and he used to have the shop, you know, and Jose Maria.
That's
Back on.
He's got an escape, you know, a Jeep, you know. Christ, Frank, I never see on my life a paint job black like that one. Honest to God, I never see for the factory come out a paint job like that.
Was it really good or?
Beautiful.
pearl. That's a baby, Tony, that's pearl. That's
My
a
God.
different pearl.
I know, Frank, but special black, you know what I mean?
Ali pearl.
My
Pearl
son,
is different.
Son, my Benjamin, you don't see nothing. A shine, you know the shine, with deep.
That's a pearl. That's a give you.
Go make it. If I say somebody scratch, you go make it the same.
No.
And you send the polish. You send the polish stuccati. You never make it the same finish.
No.
Never.
No.
Beautiful.
Tony,
I'm surprised.
I paint one Fiat 500 L. That's you know, the like a SUV.
Yeah.
I paint the red color. That's a metallic. Ali, you paint first. You paint the silver. First metallic silver,
Yeah, you got
after red.
Yeah, madam, is a cane.
Crazy.
I did, you know, I mean, I did below the
I
time.
be me too.
Yeah.
In my country.
Before it was
That's
like
like red, like teeny, like a water.
yeah.
7, 8 coat.
They used to call them candy apple red, candy apple blue. And you know, when
You see? That's a. Oh, that's you see that's a little bit moved. That's not easy. No easy job. That's a little bit moved. Let's put 2 last bolts.
Top.
Yes, 2 bolts on top. That's not good. My body top. What you want? Yes, we go. I need to put the last bolt.
Run it for a minute and then come inside. Okay.
Something like a bit of it. Poi, stavo la sedia quando non vedo. Non vado a mettere. Non può. No, sto di mandare. Stavo la sedia quando non vedo. Non vado a mettere. Non può. No, sto di mandare. No, io sto non ne vedi poi ti piace, dopo un testo non ne vedi, adesso un testo sto vedendo che poi non dice nulla. Evo, to. Sai? The two bolts. We put belt now. Easy to just in top to not see in this. So put just in this. Okay, we go down. Fucking up to me. So that's about it.
Didn't take down.
No, no, that's no need. No, that's no need. I say anyway, engine don't go down. Okay. Okay. On. Put on. Nato.
It's kind of hard to see from here. I'm gonna try to find the.
Put the alternator and put the water pump and the compressor. That's go on change there. See?
It's hard to see from underneath, but I'm gonna try to find the.
Not that you show the on. See? That's look this. Look this now. You now see? You put the tools. Yes, you see. 2.4. You have picture.
Oh, you got a picture.
Yes.
Okay.
You see.
Okay, I'm gonna take a picture of that.
Tight and apply to the on compressor. Fuck it. Easy.
Enough slack.
Put you see? I put on compressor and after on last on water pump.
So water pump is the last.
Last, yes. Oh, fucking tap the fall down on that. Fall down again. Oh, that's a camera. You see, that's last. See now, everything, and now put down. That's it. Look now.
So it's done.
That's done. That's job is done.